Select rectangle tool, click on canvas, set width height 2000, divide by 8, click OK. Select black color. Select move tool, set position. For create duplicates, Alt plus drag mouse. For create pattern, click edit top bar menu, then click define pattern, set name, click OK. 2 color, I use 1560BD and 778FA8. Now select bucket tool, click on canvas, fill color. Now go to top bar menu, click filter, then click on add noise, set value amount 15, click uniform, check on monochromatic, click OK. Add layer in, click on plus icon in layers panel. Now select bucket tool, fill color, click on canvas. Now go to top bar menu, click filter, then click on add noise, set value amount 200, click uniform, check on monochromatic, click OK. Right click on layer, click on duplicate layer. Now go to top bar menu, click filter, then click on motion blur, set value angle 90, distance 28, click OK. Now select middle layer in layer panel. Now go to top bar menu, click filter, then click on motion blur, set value angle 0, distance 28, click OK. Set soft light layer 1, layer 2. Now click on layers panel, circle icon, click on pattern, select pattern, create previous, set scale value 1. Right click, then click convert to smart object. Double click pattern layer, click drop shadow, set value blend mode, multiply color black, angle 120, uncheck use global light, distance 2, spread 7, size 0, also match quality. Click check on bevel, set value style emboss technique, smooth depth 750, direction up, size 2, soften 0, angle 90, check use global light, highlight mode opacity 40, shadow mode opacity 30, click OK. Add new layer in layer panel. Now go to top bar menu, click filter, then click on render, then click cloud. Set soft light and opacity 30. Suggest the next video topic. Like, comment, share.